ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence powered tool that uses machine learning algorithms to generate text based on a given prompt or topic. ChatGPT is a part of a family of language models known as GPT, Generative Pre-trained Transformer, which have been developed by OpenAI to help people create high quality content with ease. To help you get the most out of the interactions, here are some strategies for better output from ChatGPT. While ChatGPT can understand and process a wide range of languages and terminologies, using natural language is always the most effective way to communicate with it. So instead of trying to phrase your request in a technical or convolute manner, try to use simple everyday language that accurately conveys your meaning. So just use natural language. The more specific your request, the more specific its response can be. So instead of asking it a general question like, what is the meaning of life? Try to break it down into smaller, more specific questions. For example, what are the common philosophical theories about the meaning of life? By being specific, you will get more targeted and useful information. When asking a question or making a request, be as clear and concise as possible. Avoid using unnecessary words or phrases that could muddy the water. The more precise and focused your request is, the easier it will be for ChatGPT to provide you with the information you need. If the response of the ChatGPT is not quite what you were looking for, don't be afraid to ask follow-up questions. As we said in other videos posted on this channel, data validation skill is required when using ChatGPT tool. So asking follow-up questions will help it better understand your needs and refine its responses accordingly. Asking follow-up questions is especially important if you're trying to solve a complex problem or gather information on a topic that is new to you. Provide context. To help ChatGPT better understand your needs, provide as much context as possible when making a request. This could include information about your inquiry or any other relevant details. The more context it has, the more tailored and useful its responses will be. If you're not getting the results you want, try paraphrasing your request differently. Sometimes a small tweak in wording can make all the difference. For example, instead of asking, what is the capital of United Arab Emirates? Try asking, which city is the capital of United Arab Emirates? Would you like to spice this up? Think about describing a preferred complexity of your response. If you ask ChatGPT to explain quantum computing, it will probably give you a similar response to what your professor already gave you in class. Or maybe A Wikipedia-styled response with lots of complicated terms you do not understand. It doesn't have to be that way. You can get ChatGPT to provide replies at your preferred level of complexity. You want to know how? Describe the level of complexity in your prompts. Some handy complexity options include explain like I am 5 years old, explain with relative relative examples, explain as you'd explain to a farmer, explain in football terms, etc. You want to take this further, try to get ChatGPT to respond in specific styles. Just like you get ChatGPT to act like an entity, you can also get it to provide responses in certain styles. What kind of styles? Well, it's solely a matter of your imagination. For example, if you prompt it to write a poem, you can ask it to write in Shakespeare's style. If you ask it to write a song, you can ask it to favor in the style of your favorite musician.